Saturday, May 3rd, and we just pulled it out of the shop. Dad had a run around here first thing this morning with one of his buddies and go check on some other equipment. But the Muskeg Tractor is pulled out of the shop, and now that it's warming up, it's supposed to be plus 26 today, or warmer anyways, especially as well as tomorrow. He's going to do some more of the dirtier work out here where there's better ventilation. We just changed out the filter again. It was just absolutely chockers red from all the rust. And so again, it's all vacuumed out here, blown out, whatnot. Dad's got a nice clean work area. He's going to start doing more work in here to get all this ready. And so we just hooked it up, put it onto the truck, pulled it out, and I cleaned the shop up here earlier this morning and swept up the shop 4 times, filled the dustpan 4 times. That's where we just pulled the machine out from, so I got to sweep all that up because there's lots of stuff there. And then I washed down the floor the best I could. Water was just red, and that's from all the rust. So I'm gonna let Dad do his thing here today, and I'm gonna come back later on and check on his progress. Our hired man is gone for the day. He's taken a Saturday off, might be back tomorrow, but I think it's gonna be a slow day for Dad. Okay, it's later on in the afternoon here, and I've just come back. I had to go do some grocery shopping, pick up some dog food and dog treats and cat treats and some beer for Dad and Aidan. And looks like Dad's been doing some bondoing here and filling in all those little divots and whatnot. It's a good thing he's doing it outside because it stinks up the shop to no hell. And so I guess that was the main reason for getting this out of the shop. So yeah, it's just curing in the sun here now. Looks like he got quite a bit done here already today. He's in the garden right now putting in some onions. So it's the first start of his garden for the year. Loves putting in his garden. And now that he has Aidan around here, the two of them can do a lot more gardening. I go to the grocery store if I want vegetables. Dad likes them fresh out of the garden. So yeah, Dad would have been busy at this for several hours, and it still looks a little rough, but that's because he's got to sand everything down and get in all those little nooks and crannies. I didn't realize it was going to be this much, but apparently it is. And he's got this chunk here, but very devoid of it on this side. So maybe it's possible he even ran out, because he looks like he did use quite a bit. But that's what they're doing right now. Dogs are on guard duty, and when Dad comes back from the garden, we'll get the full breakdown. So Dad's out of the garden now, and we just had some company. What have you been doing here?
Well, I'm bondoing where I'll just show you an example here. You see, like the welded joints?
Yeah.
Well, that's what I'm bondoing, and any dips like this have
Yeah.
to be filled
Okay.
here, and then I'll sand the whole thing after it comes out really smooth.
Okay. Yeah, how are you fixed for Bondo? You got lots?
Yeah, I got lots.
Okay. So the job is what, sanding tomorrow or more bondoing?
Probably sanding tomorrow. We'll take this off after.
Yeah.
2 guys can carry it, and then I want to clean pressure wash this and sand everything and clean it off, and I'll paint this frame black before we go any further.
Okay, so there we go. Like I said, Aidan's off today, probably back tomorrow or Monday, and that's the progress for today, guys. Kitty, are you doing an inspection? Yeah, checking out my new tractor.
Look from where you are there,
Yeah, that's good. I like it. You guys are doing a good job.